Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to solve a SOC level 2 room, which is custom alert rules with in Wazuh. Okay, I'm ready now. Here we have totally 7 tasks. Let's start with the first one. Here we have to start our machine, and there are some infos about this room. And second room is decoders. Let's start with this room. Understanding decoders and testing the decoder. To solve the questions here, we have to open our browser and go to this URL. It is our Wazuh machine, actually Wazuh app. Let's close it and go there. Okay, advanced, accept the risk and continue. It is safe. And our username will be Wazuh and our password will be TryHackMe, which is here, like that. And then we have some questions here. Looking at the Sysmon log, what will the value of Sysmon.command line be? To do that, we have to go to tools, and after that we have to go to the rule set test. We will test our rules here, and then we have to copy this log. As you can see, there is only one log here. Okay, these are rules, and it is the output of the rule, which is, it will be here, and it is also Windows decoders XML, and it's another rule. So let's type it here. Why? Let's copy it again. We have to copy this log, and after that we have to paste it here. Yes, now it's working. Let's press on test. Sorry, click on test. And now here, let's go to the questions. Looking at the Sysmon log, what will the value of Sysmon command line here? Here we have an hint, and it says look for the value of command line. Let's search for. Actually, we will look at the logs. So logs are here, and we have to find the Sysmon command line. Let's search for it. Here is a command line, and I think it's not enough. Here actually image, so the answer has to be this one. Sorry, where is it? This one. So you can copy it. Okay, and as you can see, the answer is all of these value. Okay, and as you can see, I have already done it, and it goes like that. It is a C, and you have to copy until the end of this one. Okay, until test.ps1, and it is answer for first question. What will the extracted value be if the regex is set to user? So it means, let's read the hint. The regex gets the value after the user. Okay, a string in Sysmon log. So what is the value? So it is, I think, where is user? Yes, the user is here, as you can see, and the regex will capture the string after the user comes. Okay, so here it is our user, and regex will try to catch this username, which is Wim blah 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 Alberto, as you can see here. Let's move on with task 3, and it is, I think, rules. Okay, as you can see, these are all rules. It is the output of rules, which is here. As you can see here, we have phase 1, phase 2, and finally we have phase 3. And let's read the questions. From the rule set test results, what is the Mitre ID of rule ID 1? This one. Okay, so to solve these questions, do we have to make an extra operation? I think not. So I will just search for Mitre. Let's come here. Go Mitre. No, it's from the rule set test results. What is the Mitre ID? I think Mitre has to be here. And but I can't find it, so probably we have to make another operations here. So maybe another log. Testing the rule. Okay, right now. Okay, let's try to capture this log. Okay, and paste it here. Now we are testing it, and here, yes, here we have an Mitre ID. So the related operations for these questions has to be with this Sysmon log. Okay, and here we have a Mitre ID which is T1055. Okay, that's great, and it is for this rule ID, and as you can see, these are the same, so nothing is wrong here. According to the Wazuh documentation, what is the description of the rule with a classification level of 2? So to solve this question, we can go here. I will also open it, but these are not same. Here you have to go here. What does it say? Rule level. The classification level of the rule ranges from 0 to 15. Each number corresponds to a specific value and severity as listed in the Wazuh documentation's rule classifications page here. So let's open it, and here the rule level has to be 12. Let's search for it. Yes, it is here, and it means high importance event. Okay, the title for 12 is high importance event, so the answer is high importance event here. Last question. In the rule set test page, change the value of the Sysmon image to task host exe and press the test button again. What is the ID of the rule that will get triggered? So here I have to find Sysmon image, and I think it has to be, let's search for image. Okay, yes, it's here, and I have to change this value to task host, right? Yes, task host. Task host. Now I changed my log, so probably another rule will work for this log. Okay, and another log will capture this log and generate it in another situation. So let's click on test, and now what is the ID of the rule that will get triggered? So let's try to find the ID of this output. And now, as you can see, in phase 3, completed filtering, here we have an ID, and it is the answer of our final question for task 3. Let's move on with task 4. Okay. In the Sysmon rules XML file, what is the rule ID of the parent of this rule? Sorry, let's close it. Okay, where is Sysmon rules XML file? Yes, it is here. As you can see, we will look at this rule, and here our parent ID is this one. It is rule ID, and it is our parent ID. And as you can see, there is another if statement here, We have seen if group option in the previous task, but there are other if condition prerequisites like the if seed option below, and it means that it is a child rule. Okay, so the answer is for this question is this one: 19, 47, and 16. What is the rule ID of the parent of? Yes, the parent is the yeah, I made a mistake here. Sorry guys, sorry, forgive me. It's not the correct one. Let's try to understand the things here. We can see that the triggered rule is okay, and which is what we expected. What is not shown in the output, however, is that before okay was triggered was the first okay. Wazuh, and so this if group. So if the in the Sysmon, okay, what is the rule ID of the parent? How did I solve this question? It's probably about, can it be about these logs here? No. Rule order, okay. How did I solve this? Let's try to copy this log and paste it here and click on test. And now here, no, it's not working like that. I'm in the Sysmon. Okay, what is the rule ID of the parent? Do I really have to download this? No, I didn't before. So guys, sorry, you to solve these questions you don't have to download these task files. You can go to the GitHub page. Okay, I've solved it like that, and then you have to search for come here, and you can search for this one. Okay, let's copy it and come here. Let's try to let's try to find this ID, and as you can see, it is our parent ID, and here a child ID here, and it says 18, 47, and 60. Okay, 18, 47, and 60. To solve this question, you have to download the task files, but I didn't do it because there was a GitHub page here, which is all the Sysmons or all the necessary files are in this link, and I've solved this question like that. That's why I forgot about it. I forgot it, but now it's okay. It's my mistake, sorry. And here, let's move on with task 5, custom rules. What is the regex file name used in the local rules XML? To do that, we have to, was it here? No. Let's copy this log here and paste it. Let's click on test, and here, what is the regex file name used in local rules XML? Where is local rules XML? To learn that, let's open a new terminal. We have to make a SSH connection. The informations are here for our SSH connection. Let's type yes, and now TryHackMe again. TryHackMe again. Okay, let's become super user. TryHackMe again. Clear. Let's open one sec. Let's see, roles, local roles XML. And now I have to paste copy this rule and paste it here, Ctrl O. And here, what is the regex file name used in the local rules XML? Here, the regex file actually is here, and as you can see, file name equals audit.cwd. Okay, it is our regex file. Looking at the log, what is the current working directory? It means current working directory from where the command was executed. And to solve this question, you can look at the output of this rule, but to do that we have so it's not here, so okay, Ctrl X and restart Wazuh. So if you change the rules, you have to restart your machine, but it's not like that. Systemctl restart Wazuh manager. If you change your logs, if you configure them, you have to restart your system, because the system works with the rules that before it starts, and if you create or if you configured a new one, you have to restart your machine, because it doesn't do it for you. And now let's copy this log, okay, and come here, paste again, and now I can look at the output and solve the last question. And here, looking at log, what is the current working directory? Our current working directory is var log audit. Okay, and also you can see it here to phase 3. Here our description, Touch created a file with file name, this one, the folder var log audit, but here we don't see our folder, okay, but you can understand from the output. Let's search it, and as you can see, audit cvd means current working directory, and here our regex says you can catch audit cvd and put it here, and it is in phase 2, completed decoding. And as you can see, our current working directory is var log audit. So great, let's move on with task 6. If the file name, okay, this time I have to configure local rules again, and as you can see, the first rule is same with the rule here. We are just adding some new rules, but I will delete the last rule we have added and paste all of them in our local rules XML file. Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X, and let's restart our Wazuh, and then we will test it. Okay, if the file name in the logs is test.php, what rule ID will be triggered? Actually, we can solve these questions by looking at these rules. As you can see here, our file is test.php, and extension for this file is php. So in this rule, you can see that if there is something with Python, shell, elf, and PHP extension, this rule will be triggered. Okay, so the rule ID for this rule is this one, 100003. Okay, if the file name in the logs is malware checkers.shell, what is the rule classification level in the generated alert? So we have seen it here before. We have just seen it, Python, sh, elf, and PHP, and now this time it is asking for the level. And here in the first line we have a level parameter, and the value of this parameter is 12. Okay, and now you should know how to create custom rules to expand the detection capabilities for your organization. You will need to make many rules to cover a wide range of attacks, but these are all necessary to improve your security further. As a recap, we learned the following: what decoders and rules are, how decoders extract essential data from logs, how rules use extracted data from decoders, how rules are triggered and in what order, how to customize rules, how to test rules. Well, we have covered a lot in this room. Note that this is just one aspect of the power that Wazuh offers. Sorry. In future rooms, we hope to explore more of Wazuh's robust features to help fortify an organization's security posture. So I've just solved the questions here, but learning the things here is up to you. Okay, so I don't teach here. I'm just trying to solve the questions here, guys. I hope I could help you. Thanks for your time. I wish all of you nice days. So see you in the next videos. Goodbye.